One peaceful night, in the heart of the magical forest, tiny Timmy Turtle gazed up at the twinkling stars. Wow! The stars look so pretty tonight. But suddenly, one of the stars began to fall, leaving a golden trail in the sky. Timmy watched in amazement as the glowing star tumbled down and disappeared behind the trees. Oh no! Where did it go? I have to find out. Timmy rushed through the forest, looking for the fallen star. On the way, he met his friend, Felix the fox. Whoa, Timmy! Where are you off to in such a hurry? Felix! I just saw a star fall from the sky. I need to find it. A star adventure? Count me in. Timmy and Felix searched the grassy meadow, but the star was nowhere to be found. Maybe it landed deeper in the forest. Then let's keep looking. Suddenly, the wind whispered through the trees, carrying a soft voice. The star is near. Follow the glow. Did you hear that, Timmy? Let's follow the glow. Timmy and Felix followed the whispering wind until they spotted something amazing: tiny, glowing footprints on the forest floor. Look, Felix! The star left footprints. Let's follow them and see where they lead. The footprints led to a tall, old oak tree with a tiny hole at its base. A soft, golden glow shined from inside. I think the star is hiding in here. But how do we help it get out? A tiny, glowing star peeked out from the hole, looking scared but curious. Oh, hello! I fell, and now I'm lost. Don't worry, we'll help you get back to the sky. Stars need to go up, right? What if we make something bouncy to help it jump? That's a great idea! Let's gather soft leaves and make a star trampoline. Timmy and Felix worked together, collecting soft leaves and strong branches. Soon, they built a bouncy trampoline. Boing! It works. Okay, little star, give it a try. The little star jumped, but it wasn't high enough. Oh no! I can't reach the sky! Let's try again! This time, we'll all help. Timmy, Felix, and the nearby forest animals all cheered as the little star tried again. 1, 2, 3, jump! The little star bounced high, twirling in the air. Just when it seemed like the star might fall again, a soft wind lifted it higher. Whee! I'm going home! We did it, Felix! The little star twinkled brightly, sending sparkles down to thank them. Goodbye, little star. Shine bright up there. As Timmy and Felix lay on the grass, they watched the stars twinkle above. That was the best adventure ever. I'll always remember the night we helped a star. And with that, tiny Timmy Turtle and Felix the Fox closed their eyes, dreaming of their next great adventure.